The company always adheres to the mission of providing more suitable cleaning and sanitation equipment (NT) for every customer. In terms of product design, we should conduct in-depth market research on user needs, and continuously iterate and upgrade products. In terms of production process, we should continuously optimize production processes and management methods, eliminate waste and ineffective processes, and achieve lean production. In terms of quality management, adhere to the principle of prevention first, do it right at one time, continue to improve, and pursue zero shortage. Trap.